Welcome to this tutorial on how to calculate net present value and internal rate of return using the Texas Instrument BA2 Plus Professional Financial Calculator, especially when dealing with uneven cash flows. Let's walk through a simple problem together. Suppose you are evaluating a project with the following expected cash flows. Initial investment 10,000, that is outflow. Year 1 2,000, year 2 3,000, year 3 4,000, year 4 5,000. The discount rate, that is also known as opportunity cost of the capital, is 7%. We want to determine the net present value of the project, the internal rate of return. So let's get together. Firstly, we will clear the previous data. So we will press cash flow and then we will press second to clear the previously stored cash flows. After that, we will press CF, that is 10,000. We will press plus minus sign to make it negative. Press enter and after that press the downward arrow key. Now cash flow 1 is appeared. The cash flow 1 is 2000. Again we will press enter and downward arrow key. F01 is the frequency of the cash flows, that how many times this cash flow is repeated. In our example, all cash flows are repeated only one time, so no need to change any option. We will press downward arrow key. Cash flow 2 will be appeared, that is 3000. Enter, downward arrow key 2 times. Cash flow 3 is 4000. Enter, downward arrow key 2 times. Cash flow 4 is 5000. Enter and press downward arrow key 2 times. After that we will press NPV and here we have to enter our discount rate, that is 7%. So we will press 7. Press enter. After that we will press downward arrow key, NPV, and we will press on CPT to compute NPV. The NPV of the project is calculated as 1569.14. Since the NPV is positive, the project is expected to generate value and should be accepted. Now we are going to calculate the internal rate of return. Internal rate of return is a discount rate at which the net present value of the project will be 0. And to compute the internal rate of return, we will press IRR and simply click CPT to compute the internal rate of return, that is 12.83%. This means the project generates an annualized return of 12.83%, which is higher than the 7% that was the required rate of return. So the project should be accepted. That's how you can calculate net present value and the internal rate of return for uneven cash flows using BA2 Plus Professional Calculator. These tools are essential in financial decision making, especially in capital budgeting and investment analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more finance tutorials. If you have any questions related to finance and financial modeling, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best solutions. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.